Light. Time to warm up. Transparent. Luminous. A medium through which one can easily see through. Example, clear glass. Luminous. Bright, giving out light. Time to know. Light. We see many different things such as cars, people, birds, animals, etc. around us. We can clearly see their different colors, shapes and sizes. Do you think these objects would be visible to us clearly even at night? Let us take up another example. When we enter a dark room, we cannot see the objects present in the room clearly, but when we switch on the light, everything becomes visible. Can you guess why? The objects in the first case are visible to us due to the presence of sunlight during daytime. In the second case, things are not visible in the absence of light, but the light emitted from the bulb helps us to see objects around us clearly. The energy that enables us to see objects around us is known as light. In other words, light is a form of energy generated by a light source that makes things visible. Light is neither solid nor liquid nor a gas. How does light make us see things? As light falls on an object, it bounces off from the surface of the object. This light enters our eyes. The eyes sense it and send a message to the brain. Finally, we are able to see the object. Without light, we cannot explore the beauty of the nature or see anything at all around us. Sunlight, object, eye, brain. Not all objects around us emit or produce light of their own. They are visible to us because of the light that falls on them from other objects that have light of their own. The objects that are visible to us can be classified as luminous and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects. Luminous objects are those objects that emit or produce light of their own. All luminous objects store energy. They are also capable of generating heat. Therefore, a luminous object is a source of energy. The sun, stars, light, bulbs, lamps, lighted candle, etc. are a few examples of luminous objects. Luminous objects may again be classified as natural and man-made. The sun and other stars are natural luminous objects or self-luminous objects. Candles, electric bulbs, burning charcoal, electric lamps, etc. are man-made objects or artificial luminous objects. Candle, bulb, sun. Non-luminous objects are those which do not have light of their own. They become visible only when they reflect the light that falls on them from other luminous objects. Earth is a non-luminous object which is illuminated by the light from the sun. That is why it is an illuminated object. During the day, the sun provides sufficient light to illuminate objects on the earth. The blue skies, the flowing water, the white clouds, the green grass, the neighbor's car, and a red rose are all visible because the light from the sun bounces back from the illuminated objects and enters our eyes. All the planets and their moons in our solar system are illuminated objects. Planets illuminated by the sun. Transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. Any object that allows light to pass through it completely is known as a transparent object. For example, clear glass, pure water. An object that allows some light to pass through it is known as a translucent object. For example, wax paper, butter paper. An object that does not allow light to pass through it is known as an opaque object. For example, wooden block, metal sheet. Transparent, translucent, opaque. The amount of light passing through an object decides whether it is transparent, translucent, or opaque. Light travels in a straight path. Light always travels in a straight line. It travels in the form of rays or beams. A ray of light is represented by an arrow, whereas a beam is represented as a group of arrows. Let's do it. Let us do another activity to see that light travels in a straight line. Material required: a candle, 3 pieces of cardboard of the same size. Take 3 pieces of cardboard, make a tiny hole on all 3 pieces of cardboard at the same height. Now place these cardboards on a table one after another as shown in figure 1. Ensure that all the holes lie in a straight line. Also, place a lighted candle at one end with a flame at the same height as the holes. Close the doors and windows of the room. See the candle from the holes at the opposite ends. Can you see the flame of the candle? Now, turn the first piece of cardboard upside down as shown in figure 2. Observe the candle now. Can you see the flame of the candle? Write the conclusion you draw from the above observations. Reflection. Have you ever thought why you can see your face in the mirror but not in a piece of wood? Have you ever thought why you can see your face in the mirror but not in a piece of wood? Have you ever wondered how you are able to see your image in a mirror or shiny metallic surface? It happens due to a phenomenon of light called reflection. When light falls on a polished surface such as a mirror or shiny metallic surface, it bounces back. This bouncing back of light is known as reflection. The more highly polished a surface is, the greater will be the reflection. This phenomenon of reflection is used by photographers to click photographs in natural light. They use light reflected from water bodies, mirrors, and any other reflective surface to capture pictures of natural landscapes and animals.